What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another trader recap video. So today, it's Wednesday, and it's going to be a no-trade day for me. It's a +0, -0 day. First no-trade day that I've had in quite a long time. It's been several months, I think, at this point. So looking back on the day, I'm trying to decipher whether I did a good job of being patient and disciplined, which I believe that I did. But I also was caught up in a bit of analysis paralysis, which also could be the reason why I didn't take any trades. Now, granted, the market hasn't been very hot right now. The sentiment has not been very good. And just judging from my watch list stocks from today, these are the stocks that I had that I was interested in potentially trading. All but one ended red on the day. So there's really hasn't been good continuation, hasn't been great momentum. But there were a couple things that I potentially left on the table today, and I'm going to look at those from the stream. Now, the biggest move that I didn't take any trades on was on SHPH. This was the IPO that made a bit of a move yesterday as well, and no trades on it. I don't think I've taken any trades on this ticker since it's been trading. Anyway, so it ended up giving a really nice move here when it broke out at 28.50. From 28.50 all the way to 45.94, so almost $46 a share. And with three halts to the upside, and the last one basically sending it back down to the depths. So the trades that I missed on it, I'm gonna pull those up real quick. Man, it was light volume. It was tricky trading. That is for sure. That's without a doubt. But there was some opportunity on it. So let's go back and look real quick. So first and foremost, we had a daily level that I didn't map out at $34 and roughly 50 cents. So in knowing that, I would have potentially felt more comfortable taking a breakout trade at the whole dollar here. But we halted to the upside, and if my video will buffer here. So here it is. So we get resumption, a small dip, and it's holding. So this is the thing that I need to be paying attention on these halt trades. Is the thing about this, looking in hindsight, that I'm not the biggest fan of and why I didn't trade it, is the volume there wasn't very much volume. So if I had this stock do the exact same thing tomorrow, would I be able to capitalize on it? I'd like to say the answer is yes, but with these lighter volume ones, it's a little bit more tricky. Now, granted, this thing was pretty strong, and I should have considered it more after it was really holding up here nicely. So we resume at 33. It opens, dips just a little bit, and it holds strong. Dips down again, retests the hold out at 33, and that instantly gets bought back up. Now we're at that pre-market level. And when it busts through 35, it instantly busts through and gets locked into another halt. There's $1.30 a share right there. So the trade that I potentially missed was when it resumed, it dipped a little bit, and it held at 33. It could have been a potential entry, and then also the break of 35. Granted, that's tough trading. I mean, you're gonna have to be quick. And then after that, I was a little bit. Let's look actually. Yeah, so after that second halt went into another halt. I don't even think I was paying much attention to it when it went into this third one. So I was, yeah, a little bit on the non-disciplined side of things today. So I guess I could have done better. Definitely could have done better. No trade days are still good for learning though. And then there was one more. I'm not gonna bother finding it right now. We had one more little setup on QRNX, which was right here, and something that I want to try to capitalize on also going forward. If there is enough volume going into the halt, which on QRNX there definitely was. We resumed here, dipped, tried for the highs, and it instantly rejected back down to where the dip buy opportunity would have been. So if it's opened, it dipped, you enter, it pulls back up, and instantly rejects. That's where I would be out. So it would have been a break-even trade if I would have taken that. And then here's a trade that I believe that I missed. Something that I would like to get better at is on these flash entries. So it resumes, dips, can't hold, flashes down to 65, or I guess the low was 62, and then instantly gets picked up, and then it held here around 70, and then it ended up turning into a green candle. And it gave almost 50 cents in this one candle here. So there again, another trade that I potentially missed. But today was tough. We had an IMRA move. This presented a pretty nice opportunity later on in the morning, but it was after I shut things down. And I didn't really like it. I think it was moving on. I want to say no news. Oh no, this one did have a catalyst. It was a pharmaceutical, I believe. Unless I'm thinking of a different stock. Anyway, I guess the nitty gritty isn't that important, but mainly the thing that I didn't like about it was look at these false breakouts. There, there, there. I'm like, man, this thing is just tough, and they're all on high of day volume candles that are red. So when this thing started moving here, actually no, yeah, when this thing started moving here, I wasn't around, so I didn't get a chance to participate in any of this action. This breakout over this level looks pretty decent over 85, but I didn't get a chance to record it, so I won't be able to see. Maybe I'll be able to go look at someone else's recordings and see what I can learn from it. But anyway, yeah, that's going to do it for me today. Break-even day. Come back with a clean mindset, clean slate tomorrow. Hopefully we'll get green on something. Hopefully we have some better opportunities than we have this week so far. But to everyone else, hope you stay green. That's it for me, and later.